Hey guys, it's Aaron. I want to show you a quick tip that's really been helpful for me. Whenever I'm making a cut with a miter saw and the blade exits, there's always splintering. So here's a little secret on how you can prevent that. Just take an offcut or a piece of scrap wood and place it in front. That way when the blade exits, it gives the wood some support. That way the fibers don't blow out. In this take right here, I'm using an offcut from when I was using my saw a little bit earlier. So as you'll see here in just a moment, there will be no chip out and no splintering because again, I have that support when the blade makes its exit. Another quick tip I want to show you guys is if you see where the X is at, there's a faint line, and that's actually made by a knife and not a pencil. And the reason why is when you use a marking knife or a blade, it's right up against the edge and it creates a physical indentation which allows you to place your sawtooth right in that indentation, in that line, and you get a perfect cut. And once again, you will notice that there's no splintering, but if you look at the support piece, there is. Thanks guys, I'll talk to you in the next